Today we will learn page number 7 and page number 41. Trace and color. Trace the letter and color the picture. So first of all we will complete trace. Letter D is a combination of one standing line and one backward curve. Here you can also use the crayons for tracing. This is small d, one forward curve and one standing line. Color the dog. I am using wax crayon to color the dog. You can also use pencil color. I complete tracing. Now move to the page number 41. Tracing the letter D. One standing and one backward curve. Capital D. For small d, one forward curve and one standing line. Mainly dolphins are found in the blue color, sky blue color, so I feel sky blue color and dolphin. Trace the letter D, standing and backward curve. D for dolphin, D for duck, D for dog, D for dustbin, D for duster, Now move to the next question. Name the pictures and the circle those that begins with the letter D. Here see the picture of the dog. Dog is starting with the letter D. D for dog. This is a duck. D for a duck. This is doll. D for doll. Here you can see the picture of the cat. C for cat. B for bat. So circle the dog because dog begins with the letter D. Duck is begin with the letter D. And doll also. I will tell you some another story. Danny and Daisy. Danny and Daisy were friends. They loved to eat sweets. Danny always brushed his teeth at night and rinsed his mouth after eating sweets. Daisy brushed her teeth only in the morning. One day Daisy had a toothache. Her mother took her to the dentist. The dentist checked her teeth and told her to brush her teeth twice a day and rinse her mouth after she had sweats. Now, both Danny and Daisy brush their teeth twice a day. We should also take good care of our teeth and get them checked regularly. So, moral of the story, brush your teeth twice a day and free from toothache. आप लोग दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करना, ठीक है? डेजी के जैसा लेजी मत बनना. Move to the story section. Page number 8. The chick and the duckling. A duckling and a chick are friends. One day they go for a walk. They find a pond and drink water from it. Then the duckling and the chick sitting on the grass. Then duckling knows how to swim, so it jumps into the pond. The chicks like to copy the duck, so it jumps into the pond too. The chick does not know how to swim. The ducklings help the chick get out of the pond. The duckling then scolds the chick and says, "Don't copy me all the time." Duckling scolds the chick and says, "Don't copy me all the time." Some activity suggestion for students. Here, call out the names. D for dustbin, D for duck, D for dolphin, D for duster. Bus starting with the letter D? No, it's D. So leave it. T for tadpole. It's not starting with the letter D. So leave it. And D for dog. So match the object with starting with the letter D. Now see the result. You can also do the activity at home. Submit your homework in WhatsApp. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day. Hello students. Welcome to the nursery class. Today we will learn word of letters.